Are you looking for the best mini bowl sets in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best mini bowl sets that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Belding Nest Handmade Bowl. Known for their custom look, this set of bowls is perfect for your home, restaurant, office, or even bar. You can use the handcrafted wooden bowl to place nuts, herbs, spices, serve salads, chopped fruits, vegetable, and more. Each of the 3 bowls measures 3 inches in diameter and is made of olive wood that originates from Tunisia. The bowls look very authentic, unique, and solid feel. The only issues are it can't be washed in a dishwasher, requires lots of care such as applying olive oil, and isn't designed for watery environments. Number 4. Oxford Porcelain Ramekin. The Oxford Ramekin features 6 accessories each with a capacity of 3.5 ounces. They are made from ceramic and come in assorted colors: yellow, orange, green, brown, black, and red. It's perfect for sauces, soups, dips, hot desserts, soufflé, and salads, among other food items. It comes with a high-quality exterior and has a thermal resistance of -65 to 500 F. Excellent quality, pretty design, and good heat resistance are some reasons to choose this accessory. The only issues are it doesn't nest very well, the color is a bit off, and is somewhat small. Number 3. Litfer Bowl Set. The Litfer set consists of 4 round ramekins, 2 orange and 2 red. They are 2 inches deep, 3.8 in diameter, and have a capacity of 7 ounces according to the manufacturer. The bowls also come with a convenient lid that also enhances hygiene and portability. Thanks to the Strudi FDA-approved ceramic, this accessory can tolerate heat as high as 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The set is loved for its versatility: soufflés, puddings, salads, cobblers, nuts, dips, nuts, pickles, chocolate, sturdiness, and being freezer and microwave safe. People, however, complain that the lids don't fit tightly and the bowls aren't meant for large quantities. Number 2. Lippert International 1100-2 Bowl. Made from acacia wood, this set of 2 bowls will look good on the countertop, desk, or table. Each comes with a dimension of 3 by 3 by 2.5 inches and is brown in color. The smooth and sleek surface is not only elegant but also easy to maintain or wash. All you need is to use mild soap and clean water. Reasons it ranks among the best include the cute design, decent size, and light weight. Complaints about this set include their small size, not so good packaging, and they don't stack well. Number 1. Norpro Porcelain Ramekins. Consisting of 4 ramekins made out of porcelain, this mini bowl set has a diameter of 10 centimeters 4 inches and comes with a capacity of 8 ounces 240 milliliters. The set is suitable for a range of food items including salad, dips, pepper, assorted nuts, spreads, chocolates, pickles, olives, and more. It's dishwasher safe, microwave friendly, oven safe, and also freezer friendly. The set is beautiful, solid, and looks durable. However, although said to be for 8 ounces, it doesn't actually have the capacity. It's more of a 7 ounces unit. Stacking is also not very easy.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.